What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the second installment to Sidekicks. Again, who else would I have with me but Ziggy.
What's up, fam?
Today we're going to go through Celebrity Sneaker Stalker, pick out a couple of people we want to talk about, see what kind of celebrities are wearing what this week, and just give our 1-2 cents on what they're all wearing. But first we're going to do a heat check. What are you wearing today?
I got the Gundams on, 98. I think this colorway is absolutely fire. The blue, the red, and the white works together so well to make a timeless piece. Something that I'd never want not in my wardrobe.
I'm still yet to get on it, bro. They're growing on me. I'll give you that. Just like every other Air Max coming out. I didn't like the 97s. I didn't like the 180s. I didn't like any Air Maxes. But like obviously as time's gone on, like I like the 90s, like the ones, and now like I got my own pair of 180s. Got onto the 97 train. And I have my ticket for these. I have my ticket. I'm just yet to get on that platform and jump on.
Oh, it's close.
Trust me, if you want to join the Spice life,
That's what it looks like. Bro, Sporty Spice.
that's my girl.
Sporty Spice wore these.
That's my girl.
No, I'm yet to do it, but like, I do give respect to it.
Tables have now turned. Fede, what have you got on today, friend?
Alright, today I have the Adidas i5923, the Nike, whatever you want to call it. I got it in the black, grey and white colorway. I did order this from Europe. I say Europe because it sounds so much more posh than England. Yeah, it's a European exclusive. I got it from JD Sports. But I just think it went really well with this new 6 Stitches shirt that I got. But yeah, so I'm wearing the Nike, or the i5923. This is a 12.5 and it's killing my toe.
You got a big ass foot.
Yeah, it's killing. But I thought it looked good with the t-shirt, so that's what I'm rocking.
It does.
Today.
There's one thing this guy does, it's matches colours. He's really good at it.
Yeah, I'm no DJ Khaled, but I do what I can.
All we do is win, 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 no matter what.
What do you think of the i5923?
I think it's a nice silhouette. I think the design's really clean. I'm a massive Nike fan. I've definitely got some Adidas stuff, but the shape of the shoe in general I think is really timeless. Like you could wear that with a lot of things. You wear shorts, jeans, whatever, and you like to go for colours that aren't too wild.
Nah,
I think that works really well.
Yeah, I've noticed that with my collection. Like the other day I was trying to find a pair of shoes to wear and I was like, fuck, they're all pretty bland. But it's just what I'm into.
Yeah, no man, you do you.
i5923. So that's what we got rocking today. Okay, so we'll get into it. We've both picked posts from Nice Kick Celebrity Sneaker Stalker. This is from the April 19th post, so we'll get into it. First person we're going to talk about is Travis Scott, and he is wearing the Air Jordan 4 Cactus Jacks. Tell me what you think.
Jordan 4s, awesome shoe, hands down. That colorway, I'm not 100% sure about. I feel like it's got Encore 4 vibes, bro.
Bro, I saw this photo a few days ago, and I thought Travis Scott got shafted with some fake Encore 4s. I was like, bro, they're looking more like a powder blue 3.
They are. I feel like this color especially will look way different in person. Like I was looking at photos online and I was like, I don't know, but I feel like it's just the material and the color palette there. I think when you see it in person, you're either going to love it or you're going to hate it. For me though, I don't know. Probably wouldn't. I'm a bit of a classic. I like all my OG colors. What do you think about the Cactus Jack?
I'm sure if this does come out, like I'm not too sure if this is going to be like a PE kind of colorway for Travis Scott. If it comes out, people are going to go bananas for it, regardless. I'm not going to be chasing it down. But yeah, I don't hate the shoe, but yeah, my first glimpse at it before I read into what it actually was, I just thought it was a bad Encore 4. But I mean, like, he's got his own Air Jordan 4.
Looks better than me.
You can't knock him for that. So that's Travis Scott in the Air Jordan 4 Cactus Jack. Alright, next up we have PJ Tucker. And he is wearing the Air Max 1 Jewel Swoosh in the red. Ziggy, tell me what you think.
That shoe is straight crack.
It is.
I think that is awesome. Like I've said a million times before, love a white sneakers. That little red, shiny candy apple tick on an Air Max 1, triple white, soft as leather as well, super supple. That shoe is clean as hell. And with that outfit,
like, who could pull this outfit off? I think this outfit is sauce.
oh, bro,
It is sauce.
it is,
But who the fuck is gonna pull this off?
bro.
He did. I'll go,
Yeah.
Take my hat off. He pulled this outfit off.
Yeah,
But I don't think I know anyone who could do it.
he's crushing it.
Yeah. And he's walking in holding a pair of Air Jordan 12 Flu
Just
Gap.
in case he spills his Starbucks on it.
Yeah. But yeah, dude,
Smart man.
I think, I've never had a pair of jewel swooshes. I think these are sick. I would definitely invest in a pair of these.
Yeah.
But as out there and as far different as this outfit is, I think he nailed it on the head.
Oh,
It really did. This is
Killed
such
it.
a sick outfit.
and killed it. That's the thing, man. Like, you see a lot of people that, man, it's like you can go designer, you can buy like Balenciagas, you can do all this crazy stuff, spend thousands of dollars on your shoes. But it's nice to see people, you know, spending quite a money, like a bit of a coin on their fits and stuff. But then come with the sneakers, man, they're wearing the same stuff everybody else is wearing. Regardless of, you know, your status, you know, the coin you got in the bank, whatever. It's refreshing to see people, man. Like, these guys grew up on like the brands the same as we did and stuff, but something that looks like that and it is a really good design, it's transcending of time, like, and everybody wants it. And I like to see people wear stuff that might not necessarily be something that you have to line up a day or so for. Like, you can just cop it online for retail, but it's still fresh, like, it's still fire.
I think we both agree he killed this one.
Yeah, dude.
We agree on that. So that's PJ Tucker and Air Max 1 Jewel Swoosh. Okay, and next up we have ASAP Rocky, and he is wearing the Nike Air M2K Techno.
That is a fire sneaker. I think I'm like a little bit biased towards Nike because I love it so much, but that is a really nice looking dad sneaker. I frothed it up. From that angle, I don't know which colorway he's got on. I'm assuming it's the one that was released online. They had the photos with a bit of the orange like heel tap. People are like, oh, it's ripping off Yeezys and stuff like that. Man, at the end of the day, a shoe silhouette, you can only go so far. You want to make a chunky shoe, you can't be, you know, can't be held accountable to be ripping something like that off. But I think that it's an awesome shoe. I'm a big fan of all white sneakers, or minimalistic color in that sense. But yeah, I think they're fresh, dude. Like, I reckon they're so dope.
I can't rock with this outfit.
Can't do it?
Like, don't get me wrong, ASAP Rocky wears some of the freshest stuff I've ever seen. But I don't hate this outfit.
Oh man, talking about.
And I don't hate the shoes. I don't hate the outfit. But I'm just not really rocking with this one.
Oh, dude, talking about ASAP Rocky, like his fits.
Yeah.
That is one of the freshest guys ever, man. Like, people are like, oh, Kanye is da 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 da. ASAP Rocky, I think, is the fucking epitome of doing something different, man. He blows people away every time. Like, he puts so much effort in everything that he's wearing. You know, it's incredible. Like,
I like his sunglasses, but
his son is.
I couldn't wear them. Like, I wear Ray-Bans. Like, most of my sunglasses are either Retro Super Futures or Ray-Bans. And every time I buy a pair of sunglasses, like, especially in Wayfairs, like, I have to get the polarized, the big ones. Anything smaller, and it makes my head look huge. So, like, I know these on me, just like the Chanel, you know, the Chanel joints.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've never seen them in person. I've never tried a pair on, but I know I couldn't wear those either.
Man, you got like the young Jeezy 2010 vibe.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. No, but that outfit is sick. Nearly everything that guy ever wears is fucking fire.
I like that fire.
That fire. Fire.
So that's ASAP Rocky in the Nike M2K Techno. Alright, here's a controversial one. So that is Drake, and he is wearing a triple white pair of Ultra Boost. Bro, tell me what you think of Drake rocking Adidas now. And then we'll get onto the outfit. I just want to hear what you think about Drake making the move to Adidas.
Yeah, I don't know what's happened there. I don't know if any of those details are online or whatever, but he looks to be a jump ship. I mean, he's really, really loud about it. He's been wearing it on stage, he's been wearing it at NBA games, he's been wearing it day to day. I think maybe Adidas have snagged him, which is like Kendrick went across from Reebok to Nike. I think that's awesome. And then, you know, the big one, which was Kanye was with Nike, and then he went across to Adidas, and he's done extremely well for himself at Adidas. So I can't see why someone like Drake can't do the same. You know, I'm not saying he's been marginalized by giving the OVO brand label on top of Jordans and stuff like that, but there is no signature sneaker. Like, there is no, this is what a new Drake
He
sneaker
has
looks
not
like.
been given creative control of his product.
No.
He's been given a silhouette, and he's been said, yo, put your colorways on here, but you can't exactly have your own shoe.
Yeah, which, like, I do understand, and like, I don't know, like, there's so many different rumors out there, like why Kanye left Nike, whatever. He got to, you know, have an actual design, like there was a shoe that came out, but you just don't know how much influence or creative flexibility he got with that. But he was the biggest, and he still is one of the biggest artists in the world. Drake is on that level, but he still hasn't had a sneaker come out that's a specific Drake sneaker yet. So maybe he needs to status thing, and he's like, fuck this, and then Adidas have basically gone like, wait, come across, bro, we'll sort you out. Maybe, I don't know. Only time's gonna tell. Can you guys imagine if like a sneaker came out like real soon, like an actual Drake sneaker? I reckon. Do you reckon it would do really, really well?
Yeah, well, I think Adidas has taken the back seat coming into 2018 to Nike. I don't think they're the top tier as they were the past couple of years. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see what happens. Like, yeah, I don't know what kind of sneaker he's gonna bring out, but I'm sure me, Ziggy, you, we're all sitting on our seats wondering what's going to be the next OVO release.
Yeah.
But quickly back to the outfit, triple whites, can't really go wrong with them. I love hockey jerseys over top of hoodies. I think it looks sick, and it's definitely a Drake outfit.
Yeah.
You know, it's not too out there. He's just being Drake, watching a game of basketball.
You know what's funny is Drake's like fashion sense and what he wears and stuff like that.
Very comfortable.
I bet it's comfy, but I reckon it's really similar to Kevin Hart.
No.
Yeah.
No.
I reckon. Just like real clean, looks like a grown up, but also keeps it real. I just reckon.
I don't agree with that.
But the triple white Ultra Boost are one of the best shoes to come out in the last 10 years.
Bro, I got two pairs.
One of the best.
I got two pairs of triple whites. Okay. So that's Drake wearing the triple white Adidas Ultra Boost. Okay, this one I'm super excited to get your opinion on, and that is Vince Staples in the Off-White Air Vapor Max 2.0 in the black colorway. Please tell me what you think of this.
Well, like you've said previously, Adidas dropped off a little bit. Nike's been doing really good the last like 18 months. Since Virgil jumped in and did all the Off-White stuff like for Nike, it was just like that. I think the Vapor Max is an incredible shoe. Like, it's super comfy. It's very different. There's nothing like it. Vince Staples wearing that with like the bulletproof vest and stuff. Like, that looks fucking hard. You know what I mean? Like, you get up on stage with a mic and you look like you're ready to go to war.
Bro, this is the sickest outfit on this list.
Yeah.
Like this reminds me of when YG, he wore the bulletproof vest with the red Toms. And it reminds me of when Chris Brown wore the bulletproof vest with the fedora. Like, this is so sick, bro. Like, this is a stage outfit. You couldn't wear this walking down Queen Street.
Oh, hell no.
the city had gone to lockdown.
Yeah.
But this is so sick. Like, I did like the Vapor Max 1s better. I think the 2s are slowly starting to grow on me a bit more. But I just think with this outfit, it is like I said, it's a stage outfit, so someone definitely put this together for him. But I think this is sick. This is my number one pick for this list.
Alright, my number one pick for this list is still going to be A$AP Rocky. For sure. A$AP Rocky's awesome.
Oh, he's dope, bro.
But no, this is a very quality fit. Like, the way he's got it set out is awesome.
Yeah.
Colorway, like everything's wearing, the colors all work, you know.
Yeah.
It's stealthy, man. He looks like a ninja.
No. Okay, so that's Vince Staples and my number one pick for the list. Alright, next up we have another Travis Scott. And this one, he's wearing Chicago 1s. Bro, these, like, you never know with Travis Scott. Like, to me, bro, as far as like hype beast stuff goes, like wearing Supreme and all that stuff, like Travis Scott's up there for me. I think he comes out with some of the dopest fits, and I like this one. Supreme box logo tee with a flanny over top. That's exactly what I would wear, bro, if I could afford it.
Oh, 100%.
If I could afford it, that's what I would wear.
That's in a nutshell, man.
Yeah. So leather jeans, I used to rock leather jeans back in the day, and then with the Chicago ones, like I never used to rate the Chicago ones, hey, ever. But then I saw people wearing them with white laces. Now I need a pair. They're so expensive.
Jordan 1s are sick, but I'm not the biggest fan. A lot of people hate me for that. Chicago 1s, I don't know. The color's a bit broken up. It's absolutely iconic when it comes to Jordan, man. Like, Jordan 1s, bro. Like, it is like a pinnacle shoe in the history of Nike, you know. This outfit's dope. I take that back. I don't think it's that good. I think I've seen that shit before. That's my personal opinion. It's, you know, I've seen Yeezy wear that stuff a million times. But it's cool regardless. Travis Scott's still sick, though.
Yeah, well, Dad can go off and wear his dad's shoes, man. Alright guys, that concludes our look at the Nice Kick Celebrity Sneaker Stalker page. Giving our 2 cents on what everyone's wearing this week. Thanks to Ziggy coming along. Every time we hold a Sidekicks, he will be here with me.
Yeah.
A lot of dope content coming. Really going to try and shine some light on the Brisbane sneaker community with this platform we have. So stay tuned for all that. Links for all of Ziggy's social media will be down the bottom, so make sure you go give him a follow. And we'll see you in the next one. Stay fresh.
Stay peaceful, guys.